Comparisons of comparison of ASK, FSK, PSK, amplitude shift keying, and it is used for digital communication techniques, and it is used in all our digital communication techniques. Amplitude of RF signal is varied in accordance with the baseband signal of the input signal, that is ASK. Second point, the figure as shown in figure, ASK modulation, binary 1 bit we have transmitted, 1 is represented as by the carrier signal with some amplitude, while if it is transmission 0 bit binary 0, it will be represented by carrier 0 amplitude, there is no carrier. Here shown in the input data, here input data is input data is equal to 0 1 0 0. 0 is have no information, 1 bit having some information, positive pulse, 0 is no information, 0 is no. Here to modulate by carrier, the carrier is applied here. Carrier, if it is carrier amplitude is present, if it is 0 bit A1 carrier is low and 1 bit is carrier is present high, logic 1, 0 0 logic 0 0, A2 is greater than A1, amplitude is more than A1. In this way we have to phase shift, amplitude shift keying will be shifted. And ASK modulation can represent as follows: S of t is equal to A2 into cos of 2 pi fct for binary logic 1, S of t A1 cos of 2 pi fct for binary logic 0. Here A2 is greater than A1. Signaling used is on and off signaling. Bandwidth requirements for ASK is bitrate, bandwidth is equal to 2 into RB, bitrate 2 by T time period, T bit duration. ASK probability of errors is high and signal to noise ratio is less. In amplitude shift keying, probability of error is high and signal to noise ratio is less. It has lowest noise immunity against noise. ASK is a bandwidth efficient system, but it is efficiency. And next is FSK. FSK is frequency shift keying, another comparison. It is also digital modulation techniques. In this techniques, frequency of the RF signal is varied in accordance with the baseband signal of a digital input, as shown in figure below. And as shown, binary 1 and binary 0 is represents two different carriers frequencies. Figure displays and binary 1 represented by high frequencies F1, binary 0 is represented as low frequency. Here as shown here, previous input data here, digital modulation, the carrier high frequency signal, F1 to F2 is low, 0 bit transmitted low frequency, and F1 1 bit data information, the high frequency, 0 0 low frequency F1 F2. In this way we have to transmitted the FSK signal. As shown in mathematical expression as shown in figure, S of t is equal to A into cos of 2 pi fct for binary 1. If S of st is equal to A cos of 2 pi f2 for binary 0. In FSK modulation, non-return to 0 signaling method is used. Bandwidth requirement in case of FSK, bandwidth is equal to 2 times of bitrate plus f1 minus f2. In this case, FSK probability is less, signal to noise ratio is high. This technique is widely employed in modern designing and development. It has increased immunity to noise but requires large bandwidth compared to the other modulation types. In order to overcome this drawback of BPS, we have multiple FSK modulation techniques with more than two frequencies have been developed, and is more than one bit are represented by each signal element. FSK, FSK. Then we have to FSK, PSK. PSK is employed by mode designing is noise is greater than that. PSK is phases are shifted. Four phases are there. 0 degrees, two phases, 0 degrees and 180 degrees. Same data, same carrier. We have to apply 0 degrees. If it is 0 bit, 0 degrees phase shift. One is transmitted, and one is transmitted will be 180 degrees phase shift. In this way, we have to shifted the information. And mathematical expression as shown given below, it is a soft t, a function of time a into cos of 2 pi fct for binary 1. Then s of t is equal to at into cos of 2 pi fc plus pi. Above the 0 degrees phase shift for binary 1, 180 degrees phase shift for binary 0. A is the amplitude of the carrier, and fc is the frequency, pi is the phase. In phase shift keying modulation, non-return to zero signaling is used. Bandwidth requirement for PSK. Bandwidth is equal to 2 times of bitrate. And in case of PSK, probability for error is less. Signal to noise ratio is high. It is power efficient system, but it has lower bandwidth efficiency. PSK modulation is widely used in wireless transmission. PSK modulation is widely used in wireless transmission. The variety of basic PSK, phase shift keying, and amplitude shift keying modulations are QAM, quadrature amplitude modulation, 16-bit QAM, and 64-bit QAM.